Today we'd like to talk about dust masks and respirators to make sure that you're getting the right one for the job you're working on. So anytime you're working around the cars, you're probably going to need one of these for at least one of the stages. So we're going to start off with the dust mask. This is going to be the lowest level. This is a very good, very inexpensive option that's going to keep you thoroughly protected when you're doing things like buffing, sanding, grinding, even sweeping the shop. This is going to be a great option. It's comfortable. It does have a metal nose piece, so it allows you to form it around your nose, so it's going to sit and seal up there. And then this also has another added benefit. It has a flap in the front of it that is a one-way flap. So as you draw air in, you're going to draw through the mask. When you breathe out, the air is going to go out that flap, so you're not pushing the mask on and off of your face as you're breathing, making it very uncomfortable. And you can even use these outside of even the automotive. Say you're mowing your lawn, you have allergies and you want to be able to protect yourself, here's another great way. It's going to keep you protected. From there, the next step up is going to be our reusable mask here with the P100 filters. So this is going to be able to do everything that the dust mask can do with two added benefits. One, it's going to have a soft rubber seal that sits around your face. One thing to keep in mind with these is you want to make sure you have your face freshly shaven, so that way it does seal to your face. You're not drawing air in through a beard. The other advantage is with the P100 filters, you can now use this for welding as well. They are very slim, very low profile, so when you flip your welding hood down, they don't interfere with that, but you're protecting yourself, because one thing you don't want to do is be breathing in all those fumes while you're welding. So that's the next step up. Those are the benefits of that. Again, you can use it for everything this one can do and then some. Now, if you're doing any kind of painting around the shop, you want to further protect yourself. So this next one up is going to be an organic vapor cartridge unit. It can technically do everything all of these can do. It does have a pre-filter on it, which are replaceable, so they can stop the dust. But then the cartridge behind it is going to be the organic vapor cartridge. So this is what's going to be important for any kind of paint that you're using to keep yourself protected so you're not breathing it in. And one little tech tip for these two units, both of these are going to come in a bag that is resealable with a Ziploc style top. So when you're not utilizing them, make sure you put them back in the bags and you zip that top tight. Because there's nothing worse than seeing one of these sitting right next to a whole bunch of paint, well, with the paint open. Because those fumes are going to sit there and they're going to work their way into this mask and they're going to deteriorate it prematurely. You wind up having to buy a mask way more often than you have to. So make sure you always put it back into the bag, you'll be good to go. Now the last step we also offer a full line of fresh air systems, both in 40-foot and 80-foot hose lengths. So how they work is you actually have a box that sits outside where you're painting, giving you the freshest air possible. They offer them in half mask and full mask. So if you're worried about keeping your full face protected, we do have them as well. And as always, if you have anything you'd like to look up on these or any tools to help you do the job right, visit eastwood.com.